For years, the hardest part of having retinitis pigmentosa was hearing there is no treatment for your specific gene mutation. But right now, everything is changing. We are entering the era of gene-agnostic therapies, treatments that don't care which broken gene caused your vision loss. If you or a loved one are fighting RP, here is the massive update you cannot afford to miss. First is the incredible breakthrough of optogenetics. Historically, gene therapies only worked if you still had living light-sensing cells. In advanced RP, those cells are already gone. But brand new 3-year data from the Remain clinical trial has just changed the game. Scientists used a therapy called MCO-010 to bypass dead cells entirely, turning the surrounding healthy cells into brand new light sensors. The results are historic. Even after 3 full years, patients maintained a dramatic 3-line gain in visual acuity. This proves that optogenetics is a durable, long-term solution for advanced vision restoration. If you were tracking a specific gene, your wait might also be over. A massive wave of new clinical trials was just confirmed by Opus Genetics. Trials for the RDH12 mutation launch late this year in the United States. Trials for the MERTK mutation begin early next year in Abu Dhabi. And a massive global trial targeting the RHO mutation is officially scheduled for late next year. On top of that, the FDA just fast-tracked 2 revolutionary stem cell therapies, DSP-3077 and OPCT-001, to speed up their release to patients. We are finally pushing past the old limits of what was thought possible. The science is catching up to our hope. To stay on top of these trials and breakthrough solutions, subscribe to RP Beyond Limits and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below with the specific gene mutation you are tracking, and let's talk. Stay strong and see you in the next video.